This is the Gausium Beetle, the ultimate floor sweeper capable of collecting fine particles, large bottles, and everything in between. The Beetle comes with 2 large side brushes that drag objects into a large 45-litre trash bin. It even comes with a HEPA filter. The Beetle has a runtime of 4 to 8 hours, which can clean up to 12,000 square meters on a single charge. Once it's finished its task, the Beetle automatically returns to its base station to charge. With its powerful 3D LiDAR, the Beetle has the best object detection to date. To clean up, simply take out the bin and empty it to the trash. Then pop it back in and you're ready to go. Within just one run, your warehouse and factory floors will feel much cleaner than before. To learn more about the Beetle or request a free demo, get in touch with us at gausium.co.nz.